Good morning, everybody. You're getting crafty with Kathy. I want to show you something really cute. I'm going to be very quiet because my cat is sleeping. I want to show you my cat. Hi, Annie. Having a good day? Can you say, please subscribe to Mommy's channel? She's like, yeah. Well, I hope you guys have a great Wednesday. I love you all. Thank you. We'll see you later.